seriously, boys. The Beatniks, yeah. They fucking knew what it was about. Take Allen Ginsberg, yeah. He sat there in fucking New York with Burroughs and Hunky and Cassidy and Kerouac, you know? And he's sick of it. He's sick of it because he's watching his generation be shit on. Day in, day out. So he's writing about it, and his mates are writing about it, and everyone's just getting more and more vexed and more sick of it. But fucking Burroughs comes up to him, doesn't he? What's happening, bro? Wait for that lad. He takes it, yeah. As I heard. Just like that, boys. I saw the best minds of my generation starving, hysterical, naked! It's alright, that, no? Fucking hell, man. Hey, lad. Did you refill the water in that?
What do you mean? It already had water in it.
I haven't used that in about 2 weeks.
Well, I'm not drinking it.
Oh no, just inhaling its fumes.
Never heard of Legionnaires before. Have a break, girl. Martini's make you cry.
Hey. Are you active?
Fuck off, mate. Choose me own clients.
How much?
Don't embarrass yourself, lad.
I've been watching you. Oh.
Yeah, so is half the room. What difference does it make?
I love you.
Yeah, God help you then.
I think you just broke my heart.
Yeah. What's new? Yeah. Dickhead.
Well, you know. Bit harsh, but okay.
What's happening, sis?
How are we?
Sam? You good?
Kind of.
Is it that fella? He's a fucking blade, you know, don't believe anything he says.
Why would I be asked about anything he's got to say? I hear his shit all the time.
Yeah, it doesn't make it any better, does it? So what's up?
I need to tell you something. But I can't be asked. Neither will you. Nah, sit down, lad. Sit down. Dad's me called. It happened. Took a while, but Dad's dead. He died. He's dead.
When?
A couple hours ago. Died alone on the bedroom floor. Choked on his own blood. Apparently the maid was really graphic.
It's the way we knew he'd go, innit?
Who else, bro?
Cirrhosis or...
Down to the coroner, I suppose.
well, that's just the natural end to another drunkard.
And a racist.
Yeah, and let's leave it.
Funeral's day after tomorrow.
Is it?
Yeah. Be asked though. Right?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Not to cry about.
I'm not fucking crying.
Yeah. Him?
Come this Jacklyn.
What?
Hey. We'll be fine.
Obviously.
Sleep well?
Like a babe.
Same.
Got bored?
Yeah?
Fuck's sake. Not got enough cue?
Smoked everything last night.
Oh.
You're gonna have to go and pick up for us.
Just order in.
Can't put it on in an hour.
You on the morning shift?
Yeah.
What?
Still fit to wear, aren't I?
I didn't say anything about that, did I?
Right.
I'll pick up, like, it's just, it might be a while. I've got some stuff I want to do myself, you know.
Like, why? Writing another poem?
No, I'm gonna head off for a bit.
Where? Wasn't asked anyway.
Sweet. Happening?
This is your pen.
Behave.
He's me brother.
This is your family house then?
Christ now. We just live together.
Why?
Sign here, and here, and here. Yep, thank you. Just to make sure there's no allergies that I'm unaware of.
Allergies?
No.
Have fun. Who the fuck are you?
Do you mean who am I? It's my gaffy little blade.
It's fucking not no bad. This is my dad's house.
It fucking is. I'm the landlord.
Oh yeah? What? This is my dad's gaff at time.
What? You didn't know him pretty well then, did you?
What?
Look, your dad's been selling assets for years now. I've owned this gaff for 5 years maybe.
I suppose you own his wine cellar as well?
I mean, it's not like he's making much use of it, is he?
Cheeky bastard.
Listen lad, you're lucky I haven't found the plot on you already.
Chatting blood, yeah? Is that what you're saying to me?
Right, calm down, calm down. Look, condolences. Why don't you take whatever booze you want and then just leave and just don't come back?
Don't offer me his poison, lad. I'm just here for the watch. Yeah?
Not a chance, mate.
What?
Not a chance. It's a real fucking Rolex, that. I'm not giving it to you.
Fuck are you talking about? I have been promised that since birth.
You're a spoiled little prick, you know. I mean, when was the last time you even spoke to your dad?
Don't ask me that question.
Listen, I think it's time for you to
Nah,
fucking
nah,
go.
don't ever fucking ask me that question.
What the fuck do you think this is?
Is that a sword?
What the fuck's it look like it is?
Ah.
Yeah? I'll
Like-
fuck off.
Yeah, I'm fucking off. Yeah.
Where's my...
Please!
What the actual fuck is this? What are you doing?
Oh, please, Edith. Please.
Fuck right off your waist, man. I've told you before. I don't like waiting.
Oh, please. Please, Edith. I'll pay double.
You don't have double, you little nitty.
What about installment?
Installments? I'll install my foot right up your ass if you don't fuck right off me.
Oh!
Ridiculous.
alright?
Getting on this job, bro.
Ah, nice one, lads. Wouldn't mind if I did. Nice one.
Yeah.
Ta, fella. Appreciate it. Ah, nice. Got that. Ooh. Oh, boys.
Chilling, man.
Yeah, not too bad, you know. How are you, bro?
Not bad.
What's your name, lad?
Amory, lad.
Nice to meet you, I'm Todd.
Todd.
Yeah.
Oh, pleasure, lad. Alright, bro, you okay?
Yeah, Todd, mate.
Todd, you're Todd as well, yeah? Todd and Todd. Quinn. Pleasure, lad.
Todd, man.
You're Todd as well?
Yeah, Todd, yeah.
3 Todds, yeah?
Yeah, Todd. Yeah.
He's taking the piss like, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing weird about that, lad. It's just a name.
Just Todd.
Yeah.
You never met anyone with the same name?
Same name as me.
Yeah.
Never, lad. No, never met an Amory in my life.
Oh.
To be fair, never met a Todd before.
Weird, man.
Oh, yeah. Have 3.
Nice one, fellas. Appreciate it. Go ahead. Boys, it's been a heavy day. It has. Like last night, my dad died, didn't I?
No, sorry to that one.
No, that's not why I'm like upset. He's a dickhead, to be honest. Like, you know. But I went over to his gaff like today to fetch this Rolly,
Rolly?
lad. I'm telling you, full on silver and gold Rolex day date, lad. Full.
I thought he was talking about Bifton, lad. What? Seriously, what?
Break into my dad's house to get me fucking bifters. But yeah, and like, there's a lot of value to this because like, the only time he was ever considerably, I don't know, affectionate, if you will, he'd be talking about how he'd give me this Rolly. But anyway, I went to go grab it from this gaff and my dad's landlord literally fucking pulled the blade on me, you know.
What? A blade like a...
Lad, this is the best part. This cunt pulled a sword on me.
Oh my god. What?
Lad, it's like a Russian thing, they're called like shashka, like them sabres, lad. Like big curved sabres, do you know what I mean?
Kebab slicer?
Kebab slicer. I swear to you boys, like proper mad sword.
Got that in
Nine bastard, yeah.
Yeah,
Weird day, lad. Really weird day.
Bitch, you've got some explaining to do. So?
Don't know what to say.
I do. 3 cancellations is worth a lot of money.
They made me wait.
And you hate waiting, sure. But there's something deeper going on here.
Yeah.
How's your brother?
Oh. Amory's fine. I think.
It's not daddy issues again, is it? I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to be blasé. I know how much this little arrangement means to you.
Meant. He died last night.
Eden.
Don't. I'm not looking for sympathy right now.
And I won't give you any. But honey, why didn't you tell me?
Because I'm not asked. I can still function. I just need to get over this whole...
I get it. But you don't always have to function.
Yeah, but I'm not letting this beat me.
It's not about winning or losing.
Okay, fine. But I'm not letting it affect me.
Okay. I'm gonna put my business hat on. You know for a fact you're my best brass in the city. I take your bookings months in advance. Your reputation is and always has been untarnished.
Do I really need to hear this?
Bitch, I'm your boss.
Oh, wait, yeah. Fair enough.
You know I love you like a sister, right? And your health will always be a priority to me. But I've got a business to run, darling. And I can't have you dropping clients because you can't make up your mind on how you feel.
I know exactly how I feel.
No, you don't. You're a fucking mess.
Okay. Try not to look too much into this, but whenever I'm sat around waiting, it just reminds me of the last time that I saw him.
Your dad.
Fuck, I hate that word. So it was in Chester about 3 years ago. I don't know what made us agree to meet there. It was kind of like a middle ground for the both of us. I didn't know it, he certainly didn't. So I was sat there waiting for hours. I was looking at the platform, the main entrance, the clock, the train times, the platform again, hours, and well, turned out he was there the whole time, in the pub next door.
Of course.
So lasted about 15 minutes before I wanted to knock his fucking teeth out. The way he was speaking to me, it was just like I was just some random bird. Not a single word that he said made him sound like a father. So now, every time I'm sat here waiting for a John, and you know, they like to have a drink before they come in, it just reminds me of that time and him, just waiting for him. Nah, I'm never letting someone treat me like that again. Not a fucking chance.
You don't have to, Eden. Not right now, anyway. And you know, if you want to, you can always take the time.
I don't need the time. Time's not going to change anything.
So what you're saying is, not only is this guy depriving working people of secure housing, he's also now gone as far as to take their personal property that he has no claim to.
I suppose.
Needs rushing him, you know.
Lad, why are you always trying to rush landlords?
Because the centuries-old parasites that do nothing but leech off normal people who actually deserve a place to call their own. And now this one's gone as far as to graft off them, just that spitting in the face. Needs rushing.
Hey, that's true that. He is doing that, isn't he?
Yeah, he is.
Shall we just get it back?
What?
The watch?
What, me dad's?
Yeah.
Are we going new, Bob?
I'll just go whip there. Whip down right now and get it back for you.
Easy, bro.
Yeah, there's a shop that, you know.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to Todd.
Nah, problem is I've got to pick up a fucking bud for my sister. So,
That's no problem, is that?
That's
No,
right,
yeah,
no,
very
we'll
well.
sort it out.
Yeah.
you sort me out.
What are you after?
Like a cue.
I am unsafe. Todd will fly us over to Newbow. We'll get your watch. Fly back to ours. I'll sort you the queue.
Yeah.
Be a nice little day out then.
What's happening, sis? We alright?
Where are you?
Hard to say, really.
Well, what does that mean?
I'm on the road, like. No. I'm picking up, like. It just might be a while.
You're fucking useless, you. We literally live in the centre of town.
I said I was busy, girl. I'm not your fucking Joey. Nice name. Yeah. Well, I was gonna say, we don't need to have a party tonight. Like, if you don't feel like it.
I do fancy it. We're not putting our lives on hold for...
I'm not suggesting anything. Right, fuck it. Do what you want.
Don't be getting short with me.
Well then stop giving it the biggin, saying about how nothing ever affects you. Because God forbid anything would ever actually make Eden feel, would it?
Who the fuck are you talking to?
Oh yeah. Go ahead. Ta-da, yeah.
Fucking dickhead. I'm not slowing down.
Yeah, I'll keep the car running, lad. I'm gonna sort this out. Back in a sec.
You're exactly what I expected.
Fuck, you're reaching for that sword. Advice against it.
I just have a drink there, please, mate.
What is this?
Whoa, boys, what is this?
Sit there and shut up your blade.
Nice scarf, this. Look at that. Silk in all the culture. Antique. Whoa! Landlord, son.
Bro, it's Polish, you know.
Alright, boys. Let's not forget why we're here.
Hang on, I fucking know you.
No, you don't, dickhead. I've never met you before.
Dude, you're that same kid. We're in the same fucking club and everything. That bastard son.
Bastard son.
Yeah.
That's the most accurate thing I've heard you say.
You know what, boys? It's time you just fuck off, to be honest with you.
Think it's time I put a fucking bullet in your lung.
Lad, why have you brought a strap?
What do you mean? That's what we're here to do?
How big your fucking keks? Where'd they come from?
You'd be surprised.
Fuck this. I need the watch. Where the fuck is it? Hey! Where's the fucking watch?
Get fucked.
It's a fucking dickhead, him, you know.
Lad, I'll belt you right in the snoz, you know.
We're not here to shed blood, bro.
Lad, you've got a sword.
I know, I'm sick in it.
Fuck's sake.
Alright.
No fucking smoking in here, lad.
You fucking messing?
Well, to be fair, it is Amory's house, like.
Oh shit, sorry lad.
Hey, so's Amory.
My bad, man.
What? I don't give a fuck. Right, I'm sick of this now. Where's the fucking watch? I'm not messing.
Okay, that's you fucking
Of course you're fucking not. Shut up.
Fuck this, you know.
What? Pack that in!
Hey, bro.
What do you mean?
Just go find the watch. Go find the watch.
Stop it.
Bastard! Hey, bro. Yeah. We are gonna smoke 'em, aren't we?
Obviously, come on, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. No.
No, no. Please.
Right.
Shut up, lad.
Todd. Right. On my mark.
Boys, what are you doing? I've got the watch, lad. No, it's all good. I've got the watch.
Listen, just let nature take its course, man.
This isn't nature.
Yeah, it's the circle of life, bro. Listen. Just go find, just go, listen, we'll take her over without a trace. Everything will be sorted. You wonder?
No.
Have it.
No. Boys, we need to bounce, you know. We're going.
Yeah, come
Lad, this is fucked. This is so fucked.
What'd he say?
You think you're struggling to cope here, boys? You okay, lad?
Give him a zanny, lad.
Would you like a zanny? That'll help.
Not a bad idea, that actually.
Give him a zanny. Right, this is it, bro. It's time to decide to grieve. Not for your father, not for your dad, not for anyone else, but for yourself, man.
My dad?
Dead? No. It's just the beginning. Listen, bro, you can't even fathom how much you're about to grow, lad. Elevate.
Grieve. Mate.
Yeah, for you. Not for anyone else. Well, except for, like, one other person. Take care of her, man. It's been a long day. Alright. Hey, Todd. Yes, Morila. Listen, don't forget about everything we just talked about, yeah? Unagi. See you later, lad. See you later, boys.
Amory, listen. Look, the party's started. I don't know where you are, but just come back, please. I need you. I need you here. Answer the phone, please.
Hey, babe.
You're on the phone to her? New boyfriend or what? New man?
Listen. I'm not in the mood for this shit.
Oh yeah, your price is cheap and
Oh, you
because last time
fucking
I was there,
Maxim.
you were like,
Are
oh.
you fucking Maxim? You can't afford this.
Oh,
I
No,
can afford you.
I don't want you anywhere near my
Yes,
face.
you
You're in my house.
do.
And you can put that on.
Well, can't handle it.
She
just can't handle it. To be honest,
Take
sir.
Yeah, last time, yeah. What do you mean? Oh,
Fed, you
I
sit
don't
down.
fucking work. I don't know what you're talking
You
about.
sit down.
This
You
man
don't
is
want
worth
anything
far more.
Oh, my
than
house.
anything
I'm
you
sick of
can
seeing
think of.
it. No one even asked
baby,
for it.
baby,
No one even asked for it.
Oh,
I love you.
nice evening, love you both.
Yeah, that's my one, bitch.
Have a nice
Thank
evening.
you.
But enjoy yourself.
Well, that was supposed to be for us.
Let's go to the strip club.
Okay.
Edith, calm down.
Are you fucking messing? You're in the bevy as well?
You got any weed?
No.
You can't beat him, join him.
You're in my fucking house.
That I pay for, bitch. You're right. Booze makes a girl angrier than she needs to be.
They're fucking bastards, them lot.
I know, honey, but you're normally a lot better at handling them. Look, this isn't you right now.
What isn't?
This persona, girl. It's not working for you. You're having a party full of a bunch of people you don't even like without any gain. It's not what you need right now. And I don't think you should be working either.
No.
Eden, I'm still giving you the option. I'm just heavily advising it. Not for anyone else, but for yourself. Take the time off.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe just a little bit of time away from the madness.
Yeah. Starting now.
Are you sure you can handle this place?
Is that even a question? Of course I can. I'm an entertainer, darling. Pleasure business, show business. It's all the same thing.
Mm.
Come back when you're ready.
Where have you been? Fucking hell.
You honestly have no idea what I've done to get my hands on this. The full one? It was his one.
Isn't it supposed to be easier when we laugh?
Nah. When I find this funny side of things, that's what tends to upset me most, because then you realise how fucking pathetic it is. The funeral's tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do you want to go?
Yeah.
I've been trying to keep all this in check, girl, but fuck me. I don't know what we're about to go through. But either way, I want to know that I'll be alright, and more importantly, the people I care about will be alright.
People being me.
Give it the fucking frock, who do you think? Of course I fucking mean you.
Sand hippos.
He's right. Fuck off, mate.
Wouldn't you lie?